Okay, my friends, and welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. This is a king size bed frame. So it's pretty solid. I like the look of it. I have a different sized mattress here. It seems really stout. Like this locking mechanism here, like I said, the way it screws in is one of the most solid I've seen. I've seen some other ones where you just kind of screw it from here, like into the frame, and it's super wobbly. This like barely wobbles at all, and down here it doesn't. Just at the top here. So it doesn't make a lot of noise either. Some metal frames you're gonna hear like squeaking or whatever. This has this portion down here, so you put your mattress on top and it's not gonna be like metal on metal contact, so it's not gonna be making a bunch of noise. Seems like really solid too. This top portion, I guess I could tighten it down a little bit more, but as far as like this part moving, the bottom part not moving at all. So I put those little rubber things that it had when I took off here originally and put them on the bottom, and that gives it some nice traction. Also, we got quite a bit of space underneath the bed. It's a little over, I think it's like 12.5 inches or 13, so it gives you plenty of room. You can get those little pull-out drawers you can just slide under your bed and store things under there. So that's kind of nice that there's extra room there. So anyways, pretty solid frame here. Looks nice. I like the look of it. It's pretty cool. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.